Hello, good morning guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Adida Sunday and I'm the CEO of Dleading Web Design Company, and today I'm going to be teaching you how you can design a school website, and particularly we're going to be looking at primary school website or all this, or you can also use it for secondary school website. And why do you need to learn this thing? You can see how school keep growing. Everybody want to have school. If everybody want to have school, that means they will need a website for them to get more students. And then if they will be needing a website, I mean, they will, you'll be making more money because they need to contact you for you to do it for them. So learning how to build a school website will give you a whole lot of money if you are serious with learning this thing. And to be surprised, let me surprise you. I'm going to be teaching you'll be getting everything you need to build this thing for free of charge, except some certain things. But I can assure you that everything we are using to build this website is free of charge. We are not paying anything. And if you stay with me to the end of this video, I'm going to be showing you what I'm going to give you out the template I use, and I will tell you how to get the template, and so you can start something by yourself. But believe me, in this video you're not just learning the practical aspect, but you will also be learning the marketing aspect on how to make money from what you just learned. So guys, stay with me to the end of this video. You might be thinking, who am I? For those of you who doesn't really know me, like I said, I'm the CEO of Dleading Web Design, and we are the best web design company in Ibadan. The best web design company in Ibadan. So if you search for the best web design company in Ibadan, obviously you'll be seeing me. You'll be seeing us as number one. Can you see it? So guys, we are number one on Google My Business, and not just only that alone, we are also number one on Google search. So guys, we move to this particular stuff. And what are we moving to now? We are moving to how to design this website. Now let's start with what? With building. I actually want to show you something. So I'm trying to look at deleading. Okay, yeah, this is deleading. I forgot. Sorry, yeah, this is it. So we're also number one on Google front page. So guys, since you have seen it, you should believe in the kind of guy who is teaching you now. Let's move forward and let me show you this kind of website we want to build first before we start the building. So guys, this is the website we're going to be building. This is the school website. Can you see? This is the header, and when you scroll down you see the footer. It has a sticky header, and when you scroll down you can see everything. So this is it. I would like to show you around, but because of time, because I don't want this video to be long and we still have a whole lot of work to do. Now let me show you. Let me just log into the new website I will be using for this. Let me just call it Preschool. Enter. This is the new website we'll be using. So let me log in. /wp-admin. If you want to log into your WordPress, this is what you type, and I'm going to be using Preschool. I'm going to be using I'm not sure of the password I'm using. Let me just pause this video. So guys, I'm sorry, I don't know how to cram password, so I don't know the password. I need to log in from the back end. So guys, let's continue. This is the front end of the website we want to build, and this is the back end of the website we want to build. Now first thing, whenever you want to build a website, the first thing you need to do is to do some setting, just one or two settings. So let's go. The first setting we're going to be looking at, general permalink. So we're going to be looking at permalink, and by default it's going to be by this. So we're going to change it from day and name to post name, and you're going to scroll down and click on save. Good. Now before we do the second link, which is this, what we call reading, before we do that second setting, we need to go and create page, install our themes, and install and the plugin we'll be using. So firstly, let's go to install the themes we're going to be using for this design. So I'm going to be using come to appearance, come to themes, click on it, and I will go straight to just click on add new. You can click on this plus icon or click on this one. Anyone you click on, I'll click on add new themes. By the time you click on that, just scroll down and you see this default theme. So I'll be using Hello Elementor, which is a theme that is you know, created by what? By Elementor. So I'm going to be you know, showing you how to use it. I think this is my first time or second time of using it. So click on install, and by default anything you install on WordPress, you need to activate it. So click on activate. So when you click on activate, the next thing you need to do is to go to your plugin. But then let's check out the front end of our website. Let's see how it looks like. Click on refresh. Can you see now? Fine, let's go ahead. Now we need like 6 plugin. Come to plugin here, come to add new plugin, or you can come to install plugin. By default there are 2 plugins that come with WordPress. Just click on them and delete them. Just trash them or delete, and click on apply. Click on OK. So you're going to delete the 2 plugins. Then come on here and click on add new. Now there are 6 plugins we'll be using, and the first one of them is Elementor. You can come here, or you can just come here and type Elementor. Can you see it? Elementor. So when you type Elementor, it's going to show you all the plugin we need. So what you need to do first, let's start installing all the plugin. We need this one, Elementor. Click on install. But we're not going to activate them yet. We are going to be installing them one after the other. Then when we are done installing, we'll do what? We will activate all of them at once. Click on Elementor header and footer, and scroll down again. We need some sticky header Elementor. Can you see it? Click on this sticky header Elementor. Now when you click on sticky header Elementor, I think we are done basically for this Elementor. We're going to go and search for another thing we need to install now. Now we need to I think we need to install essential add-on Elementor. I saw it here. Essential add-on, exactly, this is it. Can you see it? Making number 4. Then we need to go and install the 2 plugin. The other 2 plugin is called apply online. This is what we'll be using for our admission form. This is it. Can you see it? Click on install, and the next one we're going to be installing now is what we call WP form. I think these are the 6 plugins. This is it. Just click on this, and then let's see, they should be up to 6 like that. So how do we check? Good. Now let's come to install plugin. This is where we're going to be seeing the list of all the plugins we have installed. I will look at it. There are 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So what we need to do is just to click on here, come here, click on activate, select all of them, and click on apply. I think I will need to reduce the font size of my laptop to like 80. Yeah, good. So you can decide to just click on next, and just play around them. I think this is the only setting you need to do, but don't worry, by default all those settings have been done. You don't need to do anything, just play around. I don't like touching it. Just click on next, and just ignore all of them rather. Now ignore all of them. Now come to your dashboard again. Now we have created all the plugin we need. What is the next thing we need to create? The next thing we need to create is to create all our page. Come here, go to all pages, and by default you see some 2 pages that come along. This is just delete all the 2 pages, move to trash, and apply. So now good. The next thing we need to do now is to do what? Is to add new pages. So come here and click on add new pages. Now you can just come here straight and do what? Just come here and close this one. So now I like to make sure I can see my dashboard. So come here and click on exit from full screen. Click on it. Now I can see my dashboard here, and I can do anything I want to do here. So I'm going to come here. I'm going to add home. That's the first page, and I'm going to change it from from default template to Elementor full width. I'm going to click on publish, and click on publish again. Then we're done with first one. I'm going to add another page again. Click on add new page. So the next one I'm going to add now is about us page. About us. I'm going to come here, change it from default template to what? Elementor full width, and click on publish. So let me pause this video and add all the remaining page. So I'm on my last page now. I click on publish. Now all I need to do now is to come to all this page. Let me show you all the page I created. Can you see home, the home page, the about us, admission, contact, event, facility, and gallery. Now after creating all this page, if you click on here and refresh, you won't see it here. Can you see it here? You are not seeing anything. Fine. What we need to do first is to go to our reading. You need to come back to setting and go to your reading and change it from sticky to a static website from the latest post. Change it to this one and click on use home to be home and scroll down and click on save changes. So once it's changed, come back here, refresh. Now you will see now we are under home. Fine. Now the next thing we need to do is to go and create our menu. Why do we need to create our menu? Because for us to create this header, we will be needing, because the first thing we're going to be creating is our header first, and we need menu. So I'm going to come here, come to our reading, and for us to create our menu, for us to create our menu, come to appearance, come to menu here and click on it. Please, I hope you are following. I'm sorry in case I'm too fast. Now the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on main menu, or I can just say menu, and I'm going to click on create. Now when I click on create, I'm going to come here and view all and add all the menu, all this place, add it to this menu. I will only remove one, and the first thing I want to remove is I want to remove this home page. Remove it. If you look at this page, you can't see home, you can only see all this thing. Fine. And I will be removing home and contact. Yeah, contact should now be there. Remove contact. So fine, it will make home, admission, event, facility, gallery. Let me see, maybe it is home, admission, facility, event, gallery. Okay, home, admission, facility, event, gallery. Now cool, I'm going to save this menu. The next menu I'll be creating now is that I want to create another new menu again. Click on create new menu here, and I will name it footer menu. These are the menu you see at the footer here. All the menu you see here. So that's what I want to do now. No, I need to call it mobile menu rather. Create new menu. Let me just call it mobile menu. These are the menu you will see on our mobile, not the footer. Just click on create. Don't assign anything to it here. Click on create menu. Now here I'm going to select all. Oh no, let me come to view all. I should select all and add to menu. Mobile menu must look nice, so I'm going to, oh, where's my home page? Let me just click here and add it to the menu. Now home, about us, admission, after admission, contact, gallery, event, facility. No, contact should come down, gallery should come next to contact. Yeah, fine. I'm going to click on save menu. So let's wait for it to load. Now it has been loaded. Now the next thing, after we have created, now if you look at it now, we have installed our themes, we have installed all the plugins we need, we have do the general setting, and now we have created the two menu we need. What next do we need to do? We need to go and create our header and our footer. Mind you, if you are interested, if you love this video tutorial, please, and you are yet to subscribe to our YouTube channel, please, I am begging you to kindly help us to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We want to hit 2,000 subscribers, and believe me, with your help, with my help, we can do it. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel and share it to your loved one. Thank you very much. So let's continue. Now if you want to create our header and our footer, what do we need to do? Don't forget we are building from scratch, and we have installed Elementor header and footer. That is what we will be needing to do, to build this our footer. Now to do that, you come to your appearance here. When you come to your appearance, you will scroll down, you will see where they see Elementor header and footer. This is what we'll be needing. So click on this Elementor header and footer, and obviously you will not see any template here, right? Fine. Now come here and click on add new. Now when you click on add new, you will come here, you just skip this one, just skip it, you don't need it. Now when you skip it, it's going to reload and take you to this place. You will now call this place header, header. Now once you call this place header, you will scroll down, type of template you want to build, just select, click on this select option and click on header. When you click on this header, you see a drop down. Now display on this header you want to create. Which place do you want it to display on some certain page or on the entire website? So you click on select and you click on entire website. That means this web header should be shown on all websites. You come here and user row, which user should see this thing? I want all users to see it. Click on it and you come here and click on publish. Fine. When you click on publish, now you can now come here to start designing it. Click on edit with Elementor. So I'm going to click on edit with Elementor. Now immediately you click on publish. Now if you come to here and you refresh, see that you can see that you're not seeing anything here now. Fine, let's start building. So guys, now the first thing you need, you can just cancel this notification. I like to cancel it. You can cancel it or click on continue, anyone you like. So I'm going to click on continue. Now another thing is that you see a navigation here. It is just to show you each section. I'm going to close it, I don't want it. Now the next thing you need to do now is to come to your global setting. Let's do a global setting. So you to do a global setting, come to here, setting here, can you see it? Click on it and you will scroll down and do what? When you scroll down, oh sorry, not here rather. So you come to here rather. Can you see this place? Let me back it again. Can you see this place? You click on it. Once you click on it, you come to site setting. Come to site setting. Now there is a color code we're going to be using, and the color code we'll be using for each. We have different color code. Now we have a color code. Okay, click on global color. Can you see global color? Click on it. When you click on global color, these are the default color that come with Elementor. So we're going to change our primary color to, let's change it. I'm going to click on this place and I'm going to change it. I'm going to delete this one and type the primary color we'll be using is 4C1765. This is the primary color we're going to be using. Now the same this primary color we're going to be using is what we will use also for our accent. Let me copy this color, this accent. We're going to change it to the same color. Fine. Now you will leave this text color like this, but you change your secondary color. Now what color are we using for our secondary color? Our secondary color will be using E1295B. Yeah, exactly. This is okay. These are the color we will be using to build the whole website. Fine. The next thing you need to do is to click on update. Fine, we have saved this now. Now you need to go back. Click on back. Now we come to global font. We have a font we'll be using, and the font we're going to be using is what we call Quicksand. All the font I'll be using is called Quicksand. So I'm going to come here and I'm going to change this one from Roberto to I will type Quicksand, Quick. Can you see this is Quicksand? Click on it, change this place to 17 and change this place to 700 and click out of here. Come to this place again, do the same thing. Quicksand, Quick. This is Quicksand 17. I will leave this place like that to 400. I'll come to test. I will change it again to Quicksand, Quick. This is it. And I'm going to change it to 17 and change it to, I can change it to 600 or 400. Let me just leave it at that default 400, and then I will change the last one, which is the accent, to Quicksand, Quick. Leave it, and here let me just use 17 and I will leave it like to 600 or 700. I think I need to do this test to be a 17. Okay, it's okay. Now since I've done this thing, I'm going to click on update. Fine, I'll go back. I will click outside of here. Now we can now start building our website from scratch. Now if you want to build a website, we want to build our header first. What do we need to do? If you look at this particular website, you will see that this is particular column 1. This is another column. From here to here is another column for navigation, that's column 2, and this is another column, this is another column. That means 4 columns. Fine, you're going to come here, click on this particular section. If you look at this, all these columns, they come like this from here to here, not like this, not up to down. They come from left to right. Fine. So when you are picking a template, you pick a one that has this arrow. Click on this one. So we have this. Change it. You can change it to full width if you like it. I like to make it full width. Fine. Now what else do we need to do? Do it like this. Okay, it's okay. And the next thing I'm going to do now is I'm going to come here. You see a container here. Drag this container here, and once you drag it here, duplicate the container. Duplicate. It becomes 2. Duplicate it to make it 4. Duplicate and duplicate. Now fine, let's do the first row. I'm going to change this first row. If you look at this first row, this place, I will change the stuff to let me change it to full width. Yeah, and I will change it from here to 25. Can you see now? This is what I'll be using for this place. I'm going to come here again and change this one to full width and change it to 55. Now this 25, this 55, that's 80. So I'll turn this one to 10. So let me come here, click on this one, change it to full width and turn it to 10, and click on this one, change it to full width and turn it to 10. Can you see now? Fine, we are moving. Since we have done all this thing, if you look at this place, like I said, if you look at this place, the background is white, right? Fine. Now what you need to do here, we have missed a step, but we're still okay. Click on update here. Oh, my connection. Let me pause and reconnect. Now click on update here. By the time you click on this update, it has been updated. Now come to this side. Now you can come to, can you see, you can come to here, your customize, or go to your backend. Let me show you from your dashboard, and come to appearance here and come to customize any way you want to use. I like to open in a new tab. Let me open this in a new tab. So I'll come to this place. Now what we want to do is that we want to install our logo. Just click on to this site identity, click on it and click on select logo. Obviously we don't have any logo here, so I'm going to click on select file and I'm going to upload all the logo. This preschool image, can you see it? This is all the image. I'll be giving you access to all this image for free of charge, so just click on open. So it will open all the image for you. So let's wait for all the image to load. So guys, now this is the logo I want to use. This logo, just click on it and click on select and click on skip. We don't need to copy anything. Can you see now? Now the next thing we want to do is I want to give it a brand identity. Let's have an identity or site icon rather. This is it. Click on select site icon, and when you click on select site icon, just scroll down here. You will see, I think there's a site icon I want to use. I got this template from my boss. Oh my god, this site icon has not been uploaded, so let's wait for it. Let's wait for it to be uploaded. Now this is the site icon I want to use. Can you see it? Just click on it and click on select. So I'm going to skip it, or you can just say crop image. Fine. So once you click on it now, can you see we have the site icon here? Now click on publish. So by the time you click on publish, come back to your Elementor here. We should have done this before we come here, but any of it is fine. Now we click on refresh. Now wait for it to load. Fine. Now the first thing we need to put here is what? Is our navigation, our logo. just come here and type logo, logo. Can you see now? By the time you type logo, you will see that these are you see site logo by HFB. Just carry this first one, just drag it here. And can you see now we have this one set? We don't have problem again. Come here again. Now when you come here again, we need what? Just type navigation bar, navigation or navigation menu. Now you will see a whole lot of navigation menu here, but click on this simple menu. Can you see it? Simple menu. Just drag it and drag it here. Now by the time you drag it here, can you see what you are seeing here? Don't worry about it. Now change this one to present theory. Change this one to menu. Okay, yeah, we're going to be using menu for now because this is desktop. Now if you look at this color now, we don't really like this color. Now I'm going to come here, come to this pencil, click on this pen. Okay, click on style, change this background color to, let me see, the background color we use here should be white. Now come here, change the background color to white. I can change this to white. Can you see now? White. Fine. Now come to drop item or hamburger menu. Change the color to, okay, let me come here and change the text color. Let me just pick primary. Yeah, fine. Background color, I'm going to leave it like that. Drop down menu, drop down item, I can just change this color to primary color. Fine. If you look at this color now, it has been changed. Fine. This is how I like it. Okay, now let's look at what we can do. Let's look at what they do here. Yeah, this is the same thing. Okay, fine. So the next thing, don't worry about how it look like here. We're actually going to make some adjustment. So the next thing we're going to do now is to come to this place. We're going to bring it button here. So come here, click on this particular plus icon and come here and search for button. button button. Just clean it. This is the button here. Can you see it? Just drag it to this place. When you drag it to this place, fine. Just come here and click on what do we have here? I think we have enroll now. Enroll rather. Fine. Just come to this place and type enroll. I'm going to type enroll. Fine. I'm going to come here and put admission here. Type admission here. Before you finish it, can you see? So I want this button to link to admission page. Fine. I'm going to copy this place. Copy and paste. Come here and paste. Fine. But I will change this one from enroll to what? I will change it from enroll to, let me come here and change it to contact us. Contact. So I'm going to change the link here. I'm going to change this link here to contact. Just type contact here. It will bring out the contact link if you have the contact page here. So can you see it now? Click on this. Fine. Can you see what we want to do? Now what I want to do is that I want this button to come to this right side, while I want this button to come to this side. Let's say they can be close to each other. You might not see the effect. Now another thing I still want to do is that if I close this place now, okay, I want all this thing in this spot to be center. If you look at this one is up, this one is normal, this one is at the top, this one is at the top. It's not center. So I will come here, click on this 6 dotted line, click on it and come to down. Come here, click on justify content center and click on alignment item center. Can you see now? Fine. Yeah, I like this now. It's making sense. So let me close it and see how it's going to look like. Can you see? I think they are still far a little bit. So what I can do is that I will change this from full width to boss. So let me click on this place. So I'm going to come here and change it to boss. Fine. I think I like it. Let me close it and see how it looks like. Fine. I think it's okay. And if you're not okay with it by the way it look like, you can change it back to full width. It's also fine like this. So you can decide to, you know, bring this one to, instead of middle, bring it to this place. And you can decide to bring this one also, and instead of, let me see, style, okay, I can give it left padding, no, left margin of, let's just say 40. Let me see, no, clean this one, unlick it, and give this place, I think this is my left, okay, give it place 40. And if you feel like maybe it doesn't have any effect, you can delete it and leave it like this. It's still okay to me like this. It's okay to me like this, so people can come here. And if you want to add border to it, okay, this one doesn't involve border. This one has border. Now we need to work on these two designs. So this one should be white color. So I'm going to click on this place, and I'm going to change the text color to pink. Text color, I'm going to change it to this primary color, and I'm going to change the background color, the color to white or transparent. I'll just drag this one like this. Can you see like this? It's now transparent. So I'm going to give it a border radius of solid. I'm going to give it 1 or 2. It's better than what you like. And I'm going to give it the color to be a what primary color. Yeah, this is okay. Why this is okay by me? I won't give this one border. Let me see, maybe I give it border. Yeah, I don't give it any border. Fine. So I think this is for, let me look at the text size. If this text size might be 14, I will need to increase it. I think I need to increase this size to 17. So let me first update. Come to this place. Oh, I lost the collection again. Come to this place. Come to site setting. Oh, let me pause this. So what I did here was that, sorry, I didn't know when I paused the video. What I did here is that I come to this place. Let me unhide it before. If you look at it, it was unhide. So I click hide, so to hide it, and I click on update. So I come back to this place and I refresh, so that's why you're not seeing it here again. So let's continue our design. So what we want to do now is to come to this. Normally we can start design from scratch, but I don't want to because of time and because of my laptop light. So I will come to drag a template, click on it, come to my template. I'll be showing you how to get this template, and come to here. You see here, can you see import? So click on this import and click on selectify. So I have the school website here. These are the templates. You can click on, let me click on this first one, maybe it's the home page. Let me open it. So I will give you out, I will show you how you can click on, how you can get them. Just click on enable import and wait for it to load to import. Okay, this is contact us page. This is not what this is not the page I want. I'm going to click on here, click on import again, select 5. I'm going to click on this first one again, click on open and click on continue. Now this is the home page I'm looking for. Just click on insert, click on apply. Now can you see this is the whole design? Can you see all design? Instead of you stressing yourself and doing all this design, your guy Dleading has actually helped you to do all this design. And I also learned this from my boss from Ghana. Thank you, boss, for training me, in case you are watching this video. So guys, what I need to do now, just you do this one does not have any issue, just you can need to wait, and then you can click on update. Once it updated here, you can come here and refresh. You see that everything has been done. Can you see? Now if you look at, you are seeing home here, right? Fine, come back here and come to here, this setting. Click on this setting and scroll down, and you see hide title, click on yes and click on update. Another thing I want you to know that this site is mobile responsive. You don't need to worry yourself on the responsiveness. Everything is. So come to see what you are getting. Can you see it, guys? Everything is mobile responsive. So guys, if you come back here and refresh, you won't see this home again. Can we see we are done with the home page? We have finished building the home page. So I'm going to close out of here again now. Come here, close out of it and click on exist. So we need to go to the back end. Now the next thing I want to do now is to go to our page. Let's do the about us page and the admission page. Then you can do the remaining one on your own. So I'm going to click on, okay, let's go to admission page now. Just click on, let me first do with the about. This is the about. Click on edit and click on edit with Elementor and wait for it to load again. So let's just wait for it. So pending time we're waiting, I want you to know that Jesus really loves you and he cares much about your life. Please and please, I want you to give your life to Christ so that you can enjoy the best. So we are here again. Come to this place again. This place. Come to my template and come here and click on select. So let's go and pick the second one. That will be the about us, I guess. Click on continue. Click on school about. Can you see? Click on insert and click on apply. So guys, if you need the template, just reach out to me on 09035382271. So once you updated it, you upload it, you insert it rather, all you need to do is to come and click on update and you will see everything is here. Everything is here. You don't need to struggle again. So you can come here and click on about us now. You will see it. Can you see now? Fine. Let's click on admission. Nothing is in admission, right? Fine, let's go and do admission. So I'm going to exit out of this place. I'm going to just scroll down. Okay, no, here. Oh, sorry, there's something I need to show you. Come to here, because if you don't let me, I close out of here and you scroll up here, you see about us. Okay, you might not see it, but let me, in case you are seeing about us at the top here, just come here, come to setting and scroll down and turn this hide title and click on yes. It will hide the title here. So let's leave this place and go and do the exist. So we're going for the next one. Now we're going to be going for is click on all pages. Let's do the admission, and then the same way you do the admission is the same way you do the remaining pages. So that is admission. Now you're going to click on edit and open a new tab because of two reasons. Click on open a new tab. When you click on open in a new tab, so just click on edit with Elementor and wait for it to load. Now this is where we'll be using our apply form, but then click on this place, click on my template and click on upload. Click on select file and come and select the number 3. The first one is home, this one is about, this one is admission, and click on install. Click on continue, and the next thing you need to do is, can you see now, school admission. This is it. Just click on insert, click on apply. Now can you see now there's a form that should be here. There's a form that should be here, but it's not there. First click on update, then let me take you to how you can build the form. Come here. You can use either WP form or apply, but I like to use apply. Now under this apply, you can come to all setting, but there's nothing you need to do here. Just leave everything as default and then come to all add. At the top of this apply online, you see all add. You see there's no add here. Click on create add. Now call the name here, you can call it 2024 admission form, and you can let me come and copy what I use here. just need to copy something from this guy. Okay, I didn't put anything here, so you can just leave. You can just leave what you put here. You can just say our admission form is out. Admission form is out. Leave that place. So scroll down. Now come to this place, feature image. Click on this place and click on upload file. Okay, media file. Let's select network. Oh, my network, no wonder. My network, I don't know why my network is often. Okay, connecting. Fine, let me close out of this place again. So click on feature image and wait for it to load. Now we're going to pick this one, 2024. Where is it? This is it. 2024 admission in progress. Select, and then you're going to come here, and if you have a template, now you're going to create this feed by yourself. Let's create this feed. This is what this is the only thing you need to do here. Click on add feed. Here we have the name of the student. You can just put name, student name. So let me just come here. Let me drag it to this place. So name of the student, I will just copy this place. Ctrl C. Come here. Put it here. V, and I'll click on is a require feed. Add feed. I will add another feed again. I will come here again. What do I need? Student age. Ctrl C. Come to this place. Click on test feed. Paste. Click on add feed again. So I'll add another feed again. What is it this time around? We need sex. So this says you're going to be using radio bus. Click on radio bus. Can you see? Click on this one. Type says here. And here now in this option where you have option 1, just come. The sex might be boy. This is a primary school or secondary school. Boy. You put comma and you write gay. So you click on add feed again. So you add another feed again. Now what another feed do we need to add this time around? Prefer class is also a radio bus. Ctrl C. Come here. The prefer class, I'm going to be using radio bus. Click on this. You put it here. Ctrl V. Paste. Copy and paste what you have here. And here we have crash. Ctrl C. Come here. Paste it and put comma. And write another thing again. Nursery. Paste it again. Write another thing again that you like. And then you can just write primary. And if they have secondary, fine. Put it. Click on add feed. Fine. You can add another feed again. This time around we need the student or parent address. Come here. You can just pick test area and paste it here. Ctrl V. Add feed. Click on this place again. We need another. What do we need again? Parent name, because of course we should know the name of the parent that want to enroll his children or our children. Ctrl V and come here again. Ctrl V. Click on here. Now the next one is parent email. I guess parent email or parent phone number rather. Ctrl C. Come here and click number. I'll pick this number. Parent phone number. Add feed. Hope you are getting it. Add another feed again. We need parent email now. Copy this parent email. Ctrl C. All these things you can use WP form to do it, but I just feel like using this. And click on add feed. Then that is all. So once you're done with this place, now you will need this shortcode, but by default there's no shortcode because you have not published it. So just scroll up here and come and click on publish. So by the time you click on publish, now scroll down, you see a shortcode here. Click on the shortcode. you see that you are not seeing anything. But if you look at here, you are seeing post 165 abi. Shall you see this post? Immediately you publish, that is why you are seeing post 165. This post 165. Now come to this edit with Elementor and click on this place. You see the code here, just come here. Where I put 322 here, just delete the 322 and put the code that you see at the top. I have put my own code 165 here. I'll click on update. How do I get this code 165? I'll show you. After post here, you see is equal to 165. In your own case, it might be different number, so you put the same number. Please don't make a mistake. Now in case you don't know how I get this code, let me click on add again. I'm out of here now, so click on edit. If you click on edit like this, you see the post number here. Can you see post is equal to 165? So that number is what you will come and paste, here, and you will have this. So we are done for this. So we close this place. Let me just close this place, and I can refresh here now. You see now it's there now. Fine, good one. So we come here. This is not the one we are doing. So if we come to this place, we need to go to another page, all page. We have done about, we have done. Let's go to event. Let me just click on event. And I'll click on edit with Elementor. Edit with Elementor. Please, I may not be able to install maybe the contact us page and the likes because there's no time and we need to be, we need to do a lot of things. So I'll just come here straight. Which page are we trying to do now? I think this is event. I'll click on upload here and I'll click on select file and I'll click on the third page. 1 2 3 4, number 4. Click on open. Am I sure this is event? I'm not sure number 4 is event. I think number 4 is gallery. Well, let's see. Why is it taking much time? Like I said, number 4 is facility. So let me go install another one. We are not doing facility, we need contact. We need event rather. I'll pick number 5. Let me see if this is it. Continue. Number 5 is event. Good. I'm going to click on insert and click on apply. All I need to do is just to save. Fine, good. I'll just come here and click on update. I'll wait for this thing to load finish and then I'll click on update. Click on update. Then we have done. You can put in any image you want to put, anything you want to put here, but I don't really have that much time. So I'll close there again. Click on exist. I'll come to all page. I've done with event, so I'm thinking maybe I can just rush through event. Let's do facility. Click on edit with Elementor. I think I have facility installed already, so let's just wait for it to load. So I'll just come here, click on this button, click on this template. I think I have facility here. Yeah, school facility, this is it. Click on install and click on apply. And once you apply, you just need to save. I hope you are getting it. Now, why am I doing all this thing? I just want to make the work more easier for you and I, so that you don't need to be passing through all the stress I passed through in creating all this thing. So, and that is why we are the best. We make it easier for all our students. Click on exist. So we need to go to another page now. Go to our page. It will make contact us page and gallery. So let's do that. Let's do gallery first. Edit and click on edit with Elementor. And then we come to this place. We are in gallery. I've not installed that, so I'm going to come to this plus icon and click on this select file. I'm going to click on this second to the last one. Click on open. click on continue. Then I'm gonna this is screw gallery, click on insert, click on apply. Fine, these are screw gallery. Fine, click on okay, just wait for this rounded one to stop, this load button to click on update. Then fine, we close here, we come here again, we click on exist, and we do the last one, which is the contact us. But before then, let's come to this place, this WP form. Click on all form. You will see that you don't have any form, so let's just create a simple contact form. Click on add new and just wait for this to load. I'm sorry, I don't just click on let's go. So just click on use this template. So when you click on use this template, so it's going to load the template for you. It's just a simple contact form. If you want to design your own, you can redesign it. So I'm going to click on save form, and I'll close out of this form. I'll close out of it. So I'll copy this short code. I don't even need to copy this short code again. All I need to just do, you can copy this short code if you want to use short code, but we don't need short code. Just come here, come to pages, all pages, and we're going to use our contact. Just click on this contact, edit contact. Fine, and click on edit with Elementor, and then we need to just work fast. So just wait for it to load. So come to this place, come to file, come to my template, and upload the contact form. That is the last form. This is it here. Click on it and open. I click on continue. So wait for it. Click on this is it, contact. Click on apply, and when it applies, change the form. Can you see you're not seeing any form here, right? Yeah, click. Okay, wait for it. Can you see you're not seeing any form here, right? So click on this place and come and select the form you just created, which is simple contact form. Click on it. It will show the form out for you. Can you see it now? And click on update. Here you can change my address here. This is the Dleading Web Design. You can come here to change it. If you want to change it, click on this pencil and type your address here, or type your business on your, if you have a business on Google, just type the name of the business here to show you. And all this button, if you want to change this button, just click on it. You will see the link I put here. This is my own link. Delete it and put your own admission link here. So that's all. And click save. Then all the pages have been done. So click on here to exist and come to this page. Now if you see, you can check all these sites. We have them here. Can you see it? Check your event. We have them here. Can you see it? Check your gallery. We have everything done. Everything done. Can you see we have them here? Can you see it? If you check your contact us page, you have them also. Can you see contact us page here? But if you look at it, if you are scrolling down, it's not showing. There is no sticky header. But if you look at this one, if you look at the sticky header here, fine, let's do that. So come to this place. Let me close. Okay, this is it. Come to this place. Like click on this and come to sticky header effect. Can you see it? And once you click on on to on it and scroll down, transparent header. Can you see it? No, you don't need that one. Background color, on it, on your background color. That is the only thing you will on here. As you are on it, you will not need to come and change the color. You can use this. Let me use this reddish. I don't like reddish, so I will just come here and pick this color here. Yeah, and I will exist and I'll click on update. So if you come here now and you refresh, control, now can you see that this one is still there? It's still showing this ball stuff. So all I do is to come here. I'm going to come to this place. I'm going to come to style. Okay, I don't need to. It's here. Click on this pencil and come to style, and this color you have here, just delete the color or turn it to transparent. Click on update. and come back to this place, to here rather, where you have refresh. Can you see now? Can you see now? Which is fine. Then you can you see now? Hope you see it now. Fine. So that is how to go about it. So guys, I believe you love what you see. So if you think that this is a good job, you can like this video, share this video with your loved one, and let people subscribe. I am in this channel. What we do in my YouTube channel is to make sure we give you the best. See, Dleading Web Design, we're not just bearing this name, we are truly leading. We are leading in everything we're doing. So I could actually design all this thing from scratch, but believe me, we're going to be spending like more than 4 hours. My boss taught me this thing for like 4 hours when he was training me. So for us not to spend all these hours, that is why I've put them together to reduce the stress you're going to be passing through. So guys, please, if you really like this, give it a like button and share this video on your YouTube channel. Please help me to tell your friend to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget, there's one thing I need to tell you before I go. Believe me, you shouldn't joke with Jesus in this year, because that is one of the reasons why you will succeed easily. If you want to have outstanding success in your life, accept Jesus Christ into your life. Pray to him all the times. Many a time I face challenges that is overwhelming, but when I call unto him, he always show up for me. Although sometimes it might take time, but we always show up. And I know God will always show up to you. Whatever thing you might be passing through, God will show up for you. Seriously, you and I will smile, because you will see God hand in your life. Thank you very much for your time. This is Mike Sunday, the CEO of Dleading Web Design. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and share. And that reminds me, if you want to get this template I use, I'll be giving it out for just little amount of money. The reason I wanted to collect money is just to increase what? To be able to have running money that we can be using to run, create more content. For us to create all this content, we buy fuel, we buy a lot of things just to make sure we get this content for you here. So that token amount of money is just like you supporting us back. Thank you. You can reach out to me on 09035382271 if you need this template, or chat me on WhatsApp. That is my also calling line. Thank you very much. God bless you. Have a wonderful day ahead of you. My regard to everybody in your environment.